Welcome to WokeGenics.
Have you ever wondered how web and app development can become a labyrinth of challenges? How do businesses navigate this complex web to create digital platforms that not only serve their needs, but also provide a seamless experience for their users? Today, we delve into this intriguing world, uncovering the hidden layers of web and app development. Imagine for a moment a company. They are a burgeoning startup with a bright spark of an idea. Their groundbreaking concept was to devise a platform that links freelancers with businesses needing temporary assistance. However, there was a hiccup, a notable one. They possessed a vision, but converting that vision into a functional, user-friendly web and app interface was shaping up to be a colossal challenge. This is where WokeGenics, a seasoned web and app development agency, comes into the picture. They partnered with companies to metamorphose their vision into a user-friendly, functional web and app interface. The roadblocks were numerous. They needed to ensure the platform was intuitive, user-friendly, and secure. They were dealing with sensitive information after all, and not to mention it had to be visually appealing, keeping the user engaged. A tall order, indeed. So how did companies overcome these seemingly insurmountable hurdles? They chose to partner with a seasoned web and app development agency. This agency didn't just provide a solution. They worked collaboratively with companies, understanding their vision, their target audience, and their unique challenges. They focused on creating a user-centric design, emphasizing ease of navigation. They ensured the app was visually appealing, keeping users engaged while also making sure it was intuitive and easy to use. And of course, they prioritized security, ensuring the user's sensitive data was protected at all times. The result? A platform that not only fulfilled companies' vision, but also provided a seamless and secure experience for its users. A win-win, wouldn't you agree? So what can we glean from this story? 1. The challenges in web and app development are real and can be daunting. 2. Understanding your vision and your audience is paramount. 3. Collaboration is key. And 4. Security, user-friendliness, and visual appeal are non-negotiables. In conclusion, navigating the world of web and app development may seem like a daunting task, but with the right approach, a clear vision, and a reliable partner, it is possible to create a digital platform that not only meets your needs, but also provides a seamless experience for your users. And remember, the journey of web and app development is not a solitary one. It's a collaborative process, which when done right, can yield remarkable results. This has been an enlightening journey, hasn't it? Understanding the challenges, the strategies, and the solutions in the realm of web and app development. And hopefully, this story of tech solutions has provided some valuable insights into this fascinating world. Until next time, keep innovating, keep creating, and above all, keep overcoming those challenges.
Please like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get the notification for new updates. And thanks for watching.